Hello, welcome. This is my final year project demonstration, video demonstration. The project is called CyberX Race. It's a sci-fi themed racing, well, it was meant to be a racing game, but I changed my decision to make it a simulation instead with a racing game aspect, but mainly for the single player. So, I'll show you the single player mode. So, when we have the single player mode, it's just simple. You can race, you have a normal car movement, which logs your laps. So you have the best time like your current laps, your speed in miles per hour, and also like a booster slider, and then your laps on the left or right. Okay. So we're just gonna go through the laps, and it will we have console debugging for each lap and everything. So, and also it resets after some time, and when you go through it again, it will restart the race essentially. So if you do it again, it says race finished, and then wait a couple of seconds. I think it's 10 seconds, 5 seconds, and it will be ready for a new attempt. And if we go back to our main screen, main menu, we go to AI race. This is where all the training happens and everything for May. This is May. So if I just go into our scene, so I can show you easier and zoom in. So this is just a simple. We have a simple track like this, a circle one. May is the one with the little camera attached. If I click here, there we go. Yep. So it's following essentially these waypoints as one of its criteria conditions for training. And yeah, the reason why there are two. So this one is a really simple hard-coded car. And the reason we have this is because we wanted May to be able to learn how to boost, because before it was essentially just without this one. So the training was just like this, where it would just constantly go around, always the same speed, learning how to corner, learning how to slow down on the corners. Eventually they'll be added in this one, so they could learn how to boost and eventually speed up, and it would promote more of a racing aspect to the game. But yeah, that's essentially the basics of the project. Yeah. And in the game, in the console, we have a bunch of debugging saying, oh, agent has completed 1 lap, 2 laps, 7 lap, blah blah. And then in the game view, this is mainly only for May, our agent, all the UI. So we have the amount of laps that is currently done, the miles per hour, the current time of the lap, and then the run it's currently doing. It has all of the lap times it has completed with its best timings. So if, for example, I was to increase the speed by, let's say, when it starts new one, to 70, the current best time is 9 seconds and 9.98 milliseconds. Obviously it's going to beat that by 8. Sorry, no, wrong side I looked at, my bad. Eventually it will speed up and it will beat the timings of the lap, which it hasn't done yet, so let's speed up. Let me disable the red one, it's causing issues. And also when May gets stuck after a couple of seconds, it will reset May. There we go. Yeah, it should reset May eventually, and then she will carry on going along the track. So we are currently in lap 14, and that was 9 seconds long. Yeah, let's just really speed that up. Oh, that's why it's max speed. There we go. So now it should complete the lap the fastest. Obviously it's going to be more risky, it will hit the walls more, it will collide more, may go off track, but it will beat the timing of 8.3 seconds. Should, but it's not. Okay. But yeah, that is the entire project. Thank you for watching the 5-minute video I made on this project. Have a nice day.